Have you ever had a moment where it feels like everything's going against you? It feels like the weight of the world has fallen on your shoulders. You're thinking about quitting. You're thinking about giving up.
It's hard. It's hard living your dream. It's hard changing your life. Once you've been knocked out by life, it's hard to pull yourself together and go back again.
You're going to make a lot of mistakes. You're going to have a lot of failures. You're going to have a lot of struggles. You're going to feel dumb and ask questions and don't know what to do or where to go.
You got to know why you're out here, because you're going to get your ass kicked by life. When the storms of life come, and they're going to come, when life pounces on you, and that's going to happen. When it catches you on the blind side and drops you to your knees, and that's going to happen. When your plans don't work out, when you start running out of money, when you want to give up, your reasons will be your source of strength that will comfort you. Your reasons are the things that will help you get back up and try once again.
That moment of extreme adversity is the best moment for audacity. It's the moment where you can flip everything and turn every trial you have right now into treasure.
Sometimes you need to step back, meditate, and recharge. Sometimes you gotta go away for a little while. Clear your head. View your situation from a different angle and try another approach.
Don't ever claim that you're a failure. You're only ever a failure when you stop trying. Thomas Edison said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." As long as you're trying, you have another chance to win.
Don't allow your emotions to control you. We are emotional creatures, but you got to learn to discipline your emotions, discipline your thinking, staying focused on the goal, and not allowing your feelings and unproductive thoughts to get in the way of your progress. If you don't discipline and control your emotions and thoughts, they will use you.
You must have faith. You gotta believe in yourself. You gotta believe in your abilities, your ideas, your vision, unquestionably. And when you get punched in the face by life and you feel broken inside, you gotta be able to say to yourself, I've got to do this. This is what I'm supposed to do. This is why I showed up. You gotta talk to yourself day in and day out, selling yourself on you and on your potential.
And all I want you to do every day is just say to yourself, when you feel that inner negative conversation saying, you can't do it, you gotta shut that voice down. Tell it to shut up. Tell yourself, I can handle this. I can do this. I can get through this. I want you to stand up inside of yourself and demand that no matter how many failures I endure, I must keep going. No matter how many rejections I have to face, I must keep going. Regardless of the trials and tribulations that come against me, I must keep going. You get up every fucking day, you look in the mirror, and you tell yourself, I'm a bad motherfucker, and one way or another, I'm gonna make it fucking happen today. This challenge I'm facing, this pain I'm going through, this is a test. This is the day I'm gonna find out if my goals really are my goals.
You're gonna get up, you're gonna get dressed, you're gonna get out, and you're gonna do what you've been called to do. You're gonna be what you've been called to be. And you're gonna prove to everybody that tried to break you, everybody that tried to stop you, everybody that tried to kill your dream, you're gonna prove all of them wrong. I'm gonna show them all they're wrong because I'm the champion. I'm gonna prove I'm the greatest. There will never be another like me.
Champions aren't born. They're made through grit, sweat, and unwavering self-belief.
It's not about luck. It's about relentless dedication to your craft. When you step out that door, it's not just another day. It is an opportunity to unleash your greatness upon the world. You're not here to settle for mediocrity or to follow the crowd. No, you're here to lead, to set the pace, to show the world what's possible when you refuse to accept anything less than your best.
It's about digging deep and understanding that greatness resides within you. You've got to summon it, sometimes even with tears in your eyes. But under no circumstance can you throw in the towel or surrender. The enemy isn't out there. It's in your head, scheming to mess with your mind,
to drown you in worries and stress and break your spirit.
If you conquer it in your head, you'll conquer it everywhere else. So cry it out if you must. Rest it out if you must. Take a break if you must. Regroup, replan, but never let that fiery belief within you extinguish. It doesn't matter how long it takes or what you have to endure along the way. You're coming out of this mess, and you're coming out stronger, wiser, and more determined than ever before.
I've been through the depths of despair, hit rock bottom, and felt the sting of defeat. But guess what? I still believe I'm coming out on top, and you should too, because that unwavering belief, that unbreakable spirit is what sets champions apart. So keep pushing, keep fighting, and keep believing, because there's no force in this world that can stand against the power of the determined human spirit. You can delay it, but you cannot destroy it. And as long as you keep moving forward, as long as you can muster enough strength to hold on and hold out, you will see yourself become victorious.
If you've ever had a moment in your life that you have measured yourself and come up short, if you've ever poured yourself into an individual, a company, a place or thing, and didn't get the results you expected, then this one is for you.
When life is beating you down and you lose your job, you lose your money, you lose your spouse, you feel like you can't do it anymore. When you feel that pain creeping in, you feel that defeat,
you must remind yourself of how tough you really are.
This is not the first time you've gone through pain. This is not the first time you've felt the sting of failure. You've got to remember that every time you're going through adversity, it is making you stronger.
You are not being burned, you are being forged. You're being forged into a beast.
But it's not going to be easy. No, it's going to try and rip you apart. It's going to break you down before you can have the opportunity to build yourself back up. You're going to feel overwhelmed and stressed out of your mind and don't know what to do next to solve the problems you're facing. But when you can put yourself in a position where you decide that you won't give yourself a way out, you won't allow the darkness to win, you won't accept failure as an outcome, one way or another, you will find a way through it.
It's gonna be a dogfight. It's gonna be rough as hell. It's gonna knock you to your knees and keep beating you. But you gotta make up in your mind that it is not over until I win. I will get a reward for the pain that I go through. I will not stop in the middle of the process. I will not be defeated. I will not be destroyed. I will take everything that happens in my life, and I will allow the pain to push me to greatness. You will not break me. You will not stop me. The only way I lose is if I quit.
To become a champion, you gotta endure immense challenges. If you can't withstand challenges, you'll never be a champion. If giving up tempts you when your legs give out, don't even begin. If the easy route tempts you when the pressure hits, don't even bother taking the first step. If you don't believe doors will be slammed in your face 1,000,000 times or you won't face rejection, don't even embark on the journey. For me though, every rejection fuels me. Why? Because I am not a failure. I'm just one more attempt away from success. If I just keep trying and keep trying and keep trying, I will eventually win.
Life can't deny you forever. Life can't keep telling you no forever. If you are relentless, at some point you will break through. I refuse to veer to the left or veer to the right or gradually get things together. No, that's not gonna happen. I am getting ready to turn this whole situation around 180 degrees.
On the other side of your pain is freedom. Opportunity comes in chaos. A chance to stand up, a chance to get it right, a chance to make a U-turn. I need you to find a reason to keep going. And if you can find a reason to keep going, I know that you'll be strong enough to get through it. Because every human has what it takes to persevere through whatever they're facing, if they decide to.
Push through it. Tragedy and trials come to everybody, but only the strong survive. Most people keep running away from all these obstacles, and they don't realize that it is the obstacles that are going to take them to the next level. Those are the things that are going to push you to break through.
So every time you feel that pain, you feel that heat, you feel that pressure, remind yourself that this is what is going to make me better. This is going to redefine me. This is going to make me into an unbreakable winner.
I need you to have mental toughness. When that thing you're up against tells you to quit, I want you to look at it in the eye and say, I will break you before you break me. I will not be destroyed. I will outlast you. I'm tougher than you. I can take it. I got what it takes to win. You will not defeat me.
And some of you are not successful because every single time you run up against a trial, every time you run up against a tribulation, you stop trying and you cut off beast mode. And what I'm here to tell you is, in the middle of the struggle, in the middle of the chaos, you got to tell that thing, I will not leave without that goal. I will not leave this opportunity until I'm successful. It is not over until I win.
I am not phenomenally skilled, but I am phenomenally willed. I will not give up. I will not surrender. I will not quit. I'm not successful because I'm the best. I'm successful because life tried to break me and it couldn't. I outlasted all the struggles, all the hurt, all the haters, all the failures, and I kept getting back up and facing it head on without losing enthusiasm for the dream. However hard life tries to hit you, I need you to hit twice as hard back. Match whatever level of energy the enemy is putting up and destroy it. You've invested too much to quit. You've made too many sacrifices to give up. Get a reward for all the hell you've been through.
I don't care what's the circumstance. I don't care what's the situation. You face the challenge, you put it on your back, and you say, Roger that. And you continue to execute on your mission, on your goal, on your plans, on your dream.
When you come up against that thing, you gotta be prepared to outperform that thing. And you gotta make up in your mind before you get to that challenge, before you get to that cancer, before you get to that sickness, before you get to that battle. You gotta be mentally ready to take on whatever life is gonna hit you with. And you gotta see yourself getting through this and past this. You gotta know you can handle anything this world can throw at you. And you gotta make up in your mind that I will not leave without getting what I want. The battle is not over until I win.
We all want to be a beast, but do you know what a beast is? A beast is someone who can go through hell and be grateful that their legs are working. A beast is someone who's lost everything, but is grateful for the opportunity to get everything back and get even more. A beast is someone who can hit rock bottom and can say, Roger that. I'm going to harness this. It is only up from here. I'm going to come back even stronger.
Hello. I think. Alright, so everything is good now. I don't know why my headphones were not working. Yeah, but that welcome. Yeah, but the thing that I was looking at when I rewatch my stream, I was looking at my voice was very slow, very low voice. So yeah, today you can hear me very clear, man. And this mistake will never happen again. Yeah, this mistake will never happen again. So we have 1 minute left for this candle to close, this 4-hour candle to close. Let's see how this candle close. Alright, so yeah, candle close bullish here on the 4-hour time frame. Oh wow, look at this. Candle close bullish, but below this range, below this 4-hour range. So let's do some analysis for like complete analysis. So yeah, first go to weekly. Maybe this can be the wick for the weekly candle, and now it can go up because previous weekly is bullish. Daily, previous daily is also bearish. Yeah, previous daily close week bearish. If we can get a closure above, so we can just go to this level. 4-hour close bullish, but below this range. Alright, 1 hour looks, yeah, I think we have to adjust these areas. Let me remove all these things that we so yeah, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, we can see that we have a resistance, a support there, resistance here. If we go to, oh wow, if we go to the 30-minute time frame, we can see this. Alright, so I think on the 30, yeah, we have this. Alright, so yeah, maybe I take sells from this area too, below this area. Yeah, this is a 12 pips range. So first let me see, let me, yeah, now I have my comment section in front of me. I think I can keep my comment section on this screen. Yeah, so let's see, man. Yeah, no, yeah, this is good. On this screen, this is good. So alright, so we are good. 4 hour just start. Yeah, it has to came down to create a bottom wick. So the thing is, we have to adjust this zone on this level. Yeah, this is good. Wow, this is good. Alright, so we have potential sells closure below, and we have to adjust a little this. Yeah, just a little. So I think this is a good range for us to came down. Oh wow, 49, 48 pip range. So I think today will be the best day for us, because yesterday was like we have FOMC. Now they were just neutral. They didn't say anything that like gives us some opportunities to see market moves in one direction. No, they are like previous time when FOMC happened, they said this: we are not uh, raising the rates for now, but we will. You can see one more rate hike. So they gives like signal of one more rate hike, and after that, what happened? Gold drops from 1944 to 1810. But yesterday they didn't give clear signals for anything. So they didn't give us a hawkish tone. They didn't give us a like dovish tone. They just came and said some bullshit, nothing else. make some time like make some difficult time for us like day traders, and they go to home and sleep. Yeah, this is not good, because like they have to give something for us. But yeah, but as a like as a professional trader, I think we should not care about their statements. Morning, brother. All right, so yeah, I'll take you on the stream, definitely. So yeah, as a professional, we should not care about their statements. We have to work on our skill to like take advantage of without looking at their without hearing their statements. So this is the thing that I want. So all right, so let me create a Zoom meeting for my friend, then we can talk further. Yeah, first I have to take one man on this beautiful stream. Where yeah, I have to send this link on Discord. And also guys, if you are not in the Discord, you can follow me on Discord. Yeah, I'll send my analysis in like 10 minutes. I'll send my analysis in Discord and on Twitter. Yeah, Ali, I sent you a link on the Discord. You can join that link. Oh, what? Oh, wow. Something is not good. Yeah, I think I have to. Wow. Fair. What's going on? Alright, yeah, so now there should not be any problem there. Hey,
Hello, bro.
how are you, man?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm feeling better than yesterday.
Yeah, you sound better today.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's
feeling
good.
good.
How did your FOMC went?
Just wait a minute. I'll reply you in 1 minute.
Okay.
So yeah, my laptop battery is about to die, so yeah, I just plugged the charger. So yeah, yesterday FOMC was like I took just one trade on GJ, and that wasn't that kind of a trade. I think where that was. This is GJ yesterday on the 15-minute time frame. When this candle closed there, that candle on the 30-minute time frame, it closed above the range. I think I took the trade there, and I keep my stop loss there. Let me see where I took the trade. Yeah, I took the trade there, and I keep my stop loss like 12-13 pips, and that was just, yeah, like just no trade, and I just go to sleep. My TP was there, and this fucking candle stormed me out. I was sleeping, and in the morning I see I stopped out at this. But yeah, that goes like, yeah, before stopping me out it goes for like 20 pips before stopping me out. My entry was 182.219. Yeah, where price is now, my entry was there, 219, and first it goes for like 20 pips because I was sleeping. So yeah, but today will be the big day for us. I'm feeling like we'll find something today.
I was about to sell gold. I just put myself up and it didn't even activated me.
Where you were looking at the cells?
I was looking at 5 minutes.
Yeah.
When the first initial push was 11:30, then my sell stop
That fine. All right, so let me tell you one thing. I took a sell on the demo account. I have my two. When I see candles are like printing, yeah, when I see numbers are same, so I was like it will go down, so I took the sell there. When it came up, I go to the Forex factory. When I see the numbers, I just took a sell. It came down. I was waiting for the candle to not close above, so I secured like 30 half or 80% at 30 pips. Then I keep my stop loss above this candle, and it stormed me out. But my idea was this: if any of the candle close above, I will keep my SL above that candle. So, but yeah, I just, when I secure like 80%, and also that was a demo account, so I was like, yeah, if this candle breaks the high, then it means it will go up. So I just keep my stop loss above this candle. But my anticipation was this: as long as the, like this first candle came all the way up, close in this range, second candle came all the way up, close below, like this. So yeah, but the thing, I can take the entry when this candle came up. It first little go down, then came up. As this candle break its own low, then we can take the trade. Other than that, I don't think so. There was any trade.
I was hearing this statement, but
that
it
was
like
that was the only trade. I think if you wanna take the trade on the 30-minute or 15-minute, because we are in Pakistan, so yeah, there was a midnight, so but that was a beautiful day. Look at this. This candle came all the way up, close above the ranges. This candle closed bearish, and the next candle closed bullish, create a resistance or create a support. We can take the trade keep our stop loss this 18 pips as this candle open. But the thing is, we can also wait for this candle to close above this candle, and then we can take the trade below this candle 14 pips stop loss, and we can easily find like 20 pips there. And that was the because we don't know whether we don't know where this candle will go. That was just anticipation, because that moves was happen when they talk about like in the last time you said when they talk about like in the last time you were talking about hawkish sentiment, you were talking about you can see one more rate hike. So when they talk about like this, it goes down. But when they talk about, they are saying you can what factors that are happening, what war factors that are happening on our economy. When they talk about this, I was like, now it will go up because whenever people talk about wars, gold just go up. And look at this, man. They talk about Hamas and Israel. Look at this, how it went up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was good, man. I was like, man, this is just good.
Yeah, I was anticipating a bigger move than this, but it didn't even move.
Because they didn't give any clear confirmation for rate hike or anything. That is why.
Before it opens, I got a great setup at 8:30 our time, you know. It was a clean closure with the high volume, high candle. I was about to enter a sell over here, but the FOMC got me off.
8:30?
Yeah, that
I was also
clean.
looking for this, but I was like, I think I talked to myself, maybe if we can find like bullish candle, that would be amazing, because we have this candle rejection, we have this support. So these are the questions that
If
came in.
FOMC was, yeah, if FOMC wasn't there, I would certainly went for that trade because it was a huge volume candle. You know, momentum was there.
Yeah,
It
yeah,
was
yeah.
a clear breakout, and it was clearly showing that it will fill the
Man,
range.
but look at this. We came up all the way up to like 1970, 1992, when we won the World Cup, and then it came down to like oh, 400 pips. Yeah, it
Yeah,
came down 320 pips.
it was
And
jaw
then
dropping.
then it
Yeah,
like correct almost 80% of the move it corrected. Yeah, 90% of the move.
yeah.
So
Gold was very wide yesterday.
these things happen in the in
Yeah.
trading, like you can see the bigger moves. So yeah, I think this is the good area for us to wait for the candle closure above.
Yeah.
Let me see how 4 hour candle close. 4 hour candle close bearish, but it closed above the range. Previous, oh wow, yeah, we can easily take the trade to fill this wick, at least fill this wick. Yeah, we can. Oh no, man, we can we cannot take the trade. How much is
In
this?
daylight, you know one thing more?
What?
Daylight saving has been shifted now. 11 o'clock is pre-London.
Like now,
Like 11 a.m. now is pre-London, and 1 p.m. is London Open.
when this
That's
thing
why you do not see anything any volume.
when
It's
this thing happened?
if you see on Forex Factory, just go on Sunday.
Let me
Check the Forex Factory and go to Sunday.
wait a minute. Forex Factory. Yesterday, Sunday, yeah, Sunday.
Sunday, if you
Oh,
see
daylight
daylight time,
time shift. Yeah.
yeah,
Uh,
GBP and New York, this Sunday the New
all
York
right.
will
So
open.
yeah, yeah. Oh,
Then
I
6
think
p.m. will be
we.
NY open.
Oh, so we have same time. So what I was talking about, I was thinking like as long as we have Comet Comics at 5:20,
Mhm.
London time will remain same.
No,
So
no, no.
yeah,
It should.
or it means they will change the New York time in this on the upcoming Monday,
Oh, yeah, upcoming Sunday.
upcoming Sunday.
They will shift it to 6 o'clock. Then 6 o'clock will be NY open, and 7:30 will be NYC open.
It
Then
means
9 p.m. will be London open.
it means we will
London close.
we will trade in the night.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
guess so.
man.
Because 6
This
p.m.
is
is
good.
already night time here.
This is good. I think this is good. No problem because we can like sleep late, wake up. No, yeah, sleep late and wake up late. No problem.
No, it's a clear problem for me, It's
What?
just mixing up my schedule.
Yeah, this is the thing. If someone has a schedule, like if someone is in the university, if he is studying, then there's a problem for him.
Yeah, it is a
And
problem
one
for
more
me.
thing, we can take a cell below this level.
Which level?
On GJ, below this level, we have a clean cells.
Below 183 to 20?
No, 182.900.
Oh, 182.9. Yeah, it's a
We
very
have
clean.
47 pip range,
Yeah.
and because we have this clean range on the 15-minute time frame, and if we go to the 30-minute, yeah, we have same range. And because that will also be, if this kind of close bullish, I think we can take a buy, we can take a sell there, but that will be very very risky sell.
Yeah, just because there won't be any volume.
Oh
Pre-London will be
yeah,
no.
we now the time is
It's
changed. So
like
I think
9 a.m.
now, yeah,
Malaysian time.
yesterday when I let me see, the UK exists yesterday and closer moved backward by 1 hour twice per year. All right. Oh wow. So now they will change the time at 31st March of 2024. So yeah, we have like November, December, January, February, March. We have 5 months, so we will adjust like in. Let me see what euro says. So euro is also same. Yeah, euro is also same.
Yeah, euros are the same.
Let me see what's going on this Monday. On this, I think Sunday. Oh wow, we have a time shift of USD and CAD.
Yeah.
So let me see what's going on the 1 hour time frame. I think 1 hour looks clean. Oh, but the problem is then we have to wait for the 1 hour candle to close. Then we will have a pre-London. Then we can see some volume.
Yeah.
And when will Asian time will change?
Well, I don't know about Asian.
I think
Maybe Asian, we can trade Asian,
yeah.
The regular time is 4 a.m. Asian open.
I
Then
think
we can trade
if
like 6 a.m. like 6:30 I can trade.
every day at 6:30 candle moves a lot.
Yeah, 6:30 and
6:30 candle.
this is the time that I usually go to gym,
And if they like just move 1 hour for the Asian session, then we can stream the Asian session. Then I can go to the sleep, and I can came back after Asian session.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we can do 2 streams every day.
The thing about Asian is
Maybe in future. No, just 1 hour stream from like
Yeah.
if like just imagine like if we stream today, we will start our stream at 5:50 a.m. time and we will close our stream 7. So that was just 1 hour and 50 minutes. And we will only see 6:30, 6:15 and 7 a.m. candle. Other than that, just call it a day.
Yeah. The thing about Asian station is that the volume on Asian station is uncertain, you know?
Yeah, some days it came, but most of the time it was like
It
ranging.
doesn't move, no?
But I'm hoping for like London volume to gives us something.
Yeah, yeah.
When volume came in London session, it gives clean moves. Not
Yeah,
like
London station
not
is very
like
clean station.
not like New York session. I think New
Yeah.
York session is tough if we compare New York session to London session.
Yeah, because New York station has a very huge volume and volatile, you know?
Also, it don't move in one direction.
Yeah, it doesn't move.
It just give you 3, 4, 5 minute trade and move in opposite direction.
Yeah.
This is the problem with the New York session. So that was, we are also rejecting from this area. We are also rejecting from this area. This kind of gives us a breakout. This kind of gives a fake out. Look at the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we will wait, I think 30 minutes more. And also now we have our ranges. I think it can easily take 1-2 more hours to give us some volume.
Yeah.
we
The
are not
range is
we are not the that kind of trader like just came on the charts. All right, I'm looking for buys. All right, executed the buy and anticipating the price to move up. Oh yeah, I see bearish candle. So yeah, I'm closing my buys. I am anticipating the next candle came down. I'm actually executing the sells and anticipating the next candle and the next 15 candles to came down just for me. So we have to wait. We know when volume will came, that candle will close above or close below. When there is no volume, it can just range.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the thing we know. And also we have to understand this. Previous candle is bearish. Previous daily candle is bearish. So for this candle to came up, for this candle to break the high of this candle, it is very difficult. So we can, for buys, we can anticipate like 10, 15, 18, 16 pips move. Because I think daily candle has like, yeah, daily candle has a beautiful 50 pip wick. I don't think so. It need more like it needs a bigger wick than this.
Yeah.
But if we break the high of this candle, it means our daily bias now is neutral.
Yeah, it's neutral.
Yeah, so 4 hour is saying we will go up. So because we take the trades on the lower time frame, so lower time frame says if we close above, then we can go for a buy. If we can close below, and also if we like, as I said before, I can look for the trade there below this level. So this is a 4 hour low, and if candle close below this low, it means this candle break the low of the 4 hour bullish candle. It means now the bullish momentum is gone because it breaks the low of the 4 hour candle that is bullish. So we can take a sell there for like daily candle to came down. And also this 4-hour candle closed below this range. So GJ, yeah, we have to wait at least 1 hour for GJ. Yeah, yesterday when I rewatched my stream, I was like, the sound of my stream was very very low. Then I decided I'll go with a full sound so people can hear me clearly. So we should like, all right, 2 people are watching now. So guys, if you're watching the stream, just leave a like. That would be awesome. So ho, ho, ho. When yesterday you took the trade on like GJ,
Yeah.
where was your stop loss?
My entry was like
I know your entry was
1842.
same like me. I was looking
Yeah, and my
also, yeah, there I think
stop was like 1550.
for, no, I was anticipating for 110. Yeah, my entry was 410.
Oh, so you went on the wick.
No, no. When this candle break the low of this candle,
Hmm.
then like I I think, yeah, I can, how can I show you that? Yeah, because all right, so yeah, I'm telling you there. So my entry was there and my stop loss was, let me go to the 15-minute time frame. So we have this range. Oh, where was my entry? Yeah, I took the trade there. My stop loss was, oh, yeah, my stop loss was this 16 pips. I took the trade
Mm-hmm.
and my TP was, yeah, there 17, 18, 20 pips.
Oh,
And
I waited patiently for this closure.
this candle did
Yeah.
not break the high of that 30-minute candle. What was that? Yeah, 410. Yeah, look at this. Because my entry was there, that was my stop loss. So this candle break the high of this candle, but it did not break the high of this candle. So this is why sometimes Ibrahim Amaru, morning brother, morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So I was thinking like when we sit on the charts, our emotions plays a major role in our decisions. I think if we because most of the time what we anticipate, same thing happen, but
Yeah.
our emotions, like sometimes we move our stop loss to like previous candle or current candle, and it like stopped us out, or sometimes we move our stop loss to break even, it stopped us out. If we go to profit, we close some early, but our plan was like to hold the trade for long. So that is something like yesterday this candle came down without creating even a top wick. So I said this, if this candle, I was talking like this candle has to first go up, create a top wick, then it has to come down, so we can anticipate that this candle now it grab the liquidity. Now for this candle to come down to this level, but this candle just coming down. So I said this, if this candle breaks the low of that candle, I'll move my stop loss to break even, because if this candle first came down then go up, it means now it is trying to go up. So I
Yeah.
close like 9 pips, I close half, and yeah, but my thing is, if I had like my stop loss of 17 pips there, and if I have my this is the range I was looking for, this is the target. If I keep my like TP 28 pips, and if I came to the charts 2 hours later, then my stop loss would be my TP would be smashed,
Yeah.
because my like if this candle came down and did not hit my TP, but I did not move my stop loss to break even. I don't know what's going on the charts, and the next candle came down, hit my TP. If someone say no man, I'll wait for my like I move my stop loss to break even. Now I will wait for this candle to just came down, and what happened with the next candle? It just stopped his out, him or her out, and he lose this pips.
Um,
So
yeah, Mike, but my perspective to the market is about the when I see the ranges. Yesterday, if you remember, I thought I talked to you about the ranges. That when I entered the trade, the only thing that put me off of this trade was the news, ADP and 515. I waited for London Open or for NY Open. And when this NY Open was like an uncertainty candle, so I waited like 5 minutes, then it was just hovering around. So I put my
ADP.
stop at break even. Yeah,
Oh man,
515 was
ADP.
ADP.
Yeah. But ADP was,
Yeah,
I think, good yesterday. ADP was good. Why? Because
yeah,
numbers were extremely bad.
yeah. That's why I just
Uh,
put my stop at break even. That it put me out at break even. Else, but my thing is when I enter a trade and when my stop is about like 16 pips, the least I secure is like 15 or 14 pips. I won't secure anything like if it goes like 10 pips or 12 pips. I measure the range. Like if it's 30 pip range,
1:42 morning. Good
yeah,
morning, brother. Welcome on the
it,
stream. I just know that London Open time is changed now. So yeah, we are waiting for the London Open, so we can find some volume and we can find some trades. So yeah, we were talking about this candle. Yeah, on the 15-minute time frame, we are talking about this candle. So in the like first it goes up, then it was like ranging 5 7 minutes, 8 minutes. Let me show you. Look at this. I also took the trade there, but it didn't even move for like 6 7 pips, 6 7 8 minutes. I was thinking like maybe, just maybe, because we have a FOMC, so move happen on the FOMC. So I close this, then it moves up for like 35, 38, 37 pips. So but the
yeah,
thing is, I'm talking about when you see extremely good numbers or extremely bad numbers, then you can take the trade whatever you want on the news. And also I think we can also, yeah, we can anticipate some moves on the news, but we didn't use buy stop or sell stop. Like if you have a buy stop, you would activate there,
yeah, you can
and
take.
then you came down like 25 pips in drawdown. So because when this thing happened, people got scared and they cut their position. So I also can't hold the drawdown. Sometimes it is good, sometimes it is bad, because when you have to gamble, you have to ready for the to hold the drawdown. But my thing is, if I'm uh, trading on the like demo account or whatever it is, I always use stop loss. Like I was saying that yesterday I keep my stop loss above this candle, but I kept my stop loss, so I can't trade without the stop loss.
Yeah.
And I think for the long term this is good, because we don't wanna be like gamblers. We wanna professional traders.
Yeah.
So if someone wanna become a professional trader, so he always he have to follow his rules. If he can't follow his rules, how he can make money from the markets where like where the peoples are that are more intelligent than us, they are losing the money in this market. How we can make the money from this market? So I think that
Yeah.
is why we have to follow our rules when we know the setups that we have that works. So I don't think so we have to rush and we have to take like bad trades. So this is the thing I like. So like if this candle close bearish and this candle close bearish on the third, and this if the previous 4 hour candle close bearish, so and if the 30-minute candle close bearish, then I can take the sell there. But now previous 4 hour is bullish, so we can't anticipate for this candle to came down, because previous 4 hour candle is bullish. As long as the previous 4 hour candle, we can't break the low of this candle, we can take a sell there. Sometimes because if someone just came to the charts and see this, if this kind of close strong bearish, he can say to himself, oh man, this is a beautiful onion play setup. And I watched a guy talking about onion plays his favorite setup, so it means I can take a sell there if the next candle break the low. But he don't know that guy that was talking about onion plays his favorite setup. He also look at the 1 hour time frame. He also go to the 15-minute time frame. He also go to the one daily time frame. He always keeps 4 hour candle, previous 4 hour candle in his mind. So he mix all that time frame, then he takes sell. Like yesterday, if we look at the yesterday, that candle was bearish. So when this 15-minute candle close above the range, I said this. Yeah, I said this. Yeah, man. Now for me, this is good. I want this to came up. This resistance. This is our 4 hour high. As long as we don't break the 4 hour high, I can't go to the buys. If this candle came up, I don't care, because you can see this. You can see this. Oh, this candle close above the range. This candle close above the range. But I was not looking for the buys. I said this. I had their line, and I said this. This is a 4 hour high. As long as we did not break the 4 hour high, I'm not touching anything. So what we see a bearish candle, a weak bearish candle. This candle first came down, break the low, then came up, create a top wick, then it break the one more time low, then I got in. So like I didn't took the trade when this candle did not grab the liquidity. So this candle can drive down to this level without any top wick. But my plan was I will not take the trade if this candle did not have a top wick. So what happened? This candle came up and create a top wick, then it breaks the low, then I go with the higher confirmation. But then problem happened in this candle. this candle did not grab the liquidity and came down. I think if this candle came up like just 2-3 pips top wick, then I can say myself, now man, everything is good. So, but the thing is, but we learn something. Whenever we take the trade, I always said we learn from that trade something. So when we lose, we learn something. When we win, we gain confidence from that win, that we put that confidence we put in the next trade, and we win one more trade with that confidence. So let me so yeah, when we win the trade, we gain confidence. When we lose the trade, we learn something. But the bad thing is, when we like lose the trade and we didn't learn anything from that loss, it means this is a loss. This is not learning. Because L mean loss, L mean learning. So like we have W, we have L, we have BE. BE mean break even. W mean win. L mean learning. How many times we learn? So some people think, no man, L means loss. No man, if you are not learning, so this is loss for you. This is not about, I'm not, if I put like loss, it is not about you, it is about me. If I learn something, so this is L, that abbreviate me for like learning. So every time I got stopped out at any position, I just asked myself like 100 questions. Why I lost this trade? How can I take my loss less on this trade? How can I manage this trade better? Why I took this trade? Which thing I like didn't consider before taking this trade? I go to everything. Is there any rejection on the left hand side? Is there anything that, so I said this before, if we like like when you become a professional after, bro, look GJ, yeah bro, we are on GJ, this is GJ in front of you. So I said this, if we, whenever we like after 2-3 years of experience, we can easily achieve 90 to 95% of winning ratio. But the thing is, it takes time. We don't want to give time to trading. We just want to, like, this is industry. And when we came to this industry, we have a mission of like 100 crores, 10 crores in 1 year, 20 crores in 1 year. Man, this is not gonna happen if guys like ourselves, like if guys like us can make the 20 crores in their first year, how banks are going to make money? If guys like us can make that kind of money, then how the banks are make money? So an extraordinary person with an extraordinary discipline, they just make money. Just extraordinary persons make money from the market. They are disciplined. They have urge to learn something new every day. They don't care about money. They don't run after money. They just say to themselves, yeah man, if I lose today, no problem, I will win tomorrow. I will win. If I lose tomorrow, I will win day after tomorrow. If I, but the one thing that I should do every time, I have to learn from my loss. If I learn from my loss, it means I got better today. I will not repeat the same mistake tomorrow. When I will not repeat the same mistake, it means you are getting better. And just think like that. If you like, if you learn one thing today, if you learn one thing tomorrow, if you learn one more thing in the day after tomorrow, look at this, in just three losses, you learn three things. If you learn three things, if you learn three mistakes, if you don't repeat that three mistakes in your trading career, man, just think like that. You are at your lowest point for now. And if you lose like $1,000 in three trades, and after 7 years, you are using the lot size of 100, and if you got like 30 pip trade with 100 lot size, you are going to make $30,000 in one trade. That you learn in just $1,000 or in just $10. This is the thing I want to teach you guys. This is the thing. This is the main thing. You have to understand this. Money will come, man. If when you got better on the skill, if you have a skill set, and this is the trading, man, you can learn, you can earn money. If you are on the tour, you just have your levels on the screen, on your laptop screen, and you can put like alert. When price came this, it will rank some sound. So that sound mean you just can open your charts, and you can put your trade after watching your setups. This is the thing I'm talking about. You have to understand this. So first, you shouldn't care about money, because this, it takes time. Like if you wanna take a job of like teacher, you give your 16 years of study in the school. After the school, you go to college. After the college, you go to university. But when you come to trading, you just said to yourself, hey, I need money today. Not today, I need money now. This is the bad mindset you are taking with yourself in trading. This is not gonna happen. So why most of the people lose? They lose because they are in a rush process. That is why they lose. Most of the people lose because they don't have discipline. Most of the people lose because they won't make money today. Most of the people lose because they don't want to learn. They don't want to lose the money in the market. But this is not gonna happen, man. When you came to the trading, you will lose money. You will learn something every day, and you get better every day. Every day, whenever you take loss, you will get better. And if you don't learn from your mistake, that is the real loss. Losing money is nothing. Yeah, someone says, but it is not relevant to this, but someone says when you lose money, you lose nothing. When you lose your health, you lose something. When you lose your character, you lose everything. But the thing is, I want to tell you his first point. He said this: if you lose money, you lose nothing. But our mindset, our psychology is built in this area. Like, if we lose something, no man, I can't lose. Why you can't lose where 95% of the people are losing? Why you can't lose? Did you give you 100% in trading? No. Did you learn from your losses? No. Did you read charts every day? No. Did you give your proper time, proper mindset, proper discipline? No. But you want to make money. Brother, this is the thing you have to understand. Like, when I opened my first account, I was like, I have two courses. I have two mentorships. Like one I have Raja Banks, second I have Carvin. I like if Raja Banks is streaming, I am watching his stream. Also, I am on the Zoom with with Carvin, and I was just copying their trades. I'm just going to make money. I'm just I just go to every stream to catch some pips. But they were making money. Like I took 3 trades with Carvin. I lose all that 3 trades. But whenever I took the trade, if he lose the first trade, he take the second trade and he win like if I lose 20 pips on the second trade he take like 50 pips. But I wasn't able to take the second trade. I wasn't able to take the second trade. So they know they work on their self. They know if they can lose one trade, they can win the second trade. If they can lose the second trade, they can win the third trade. But I was only looking for catching some pips. I wasn't looking for learning something. When I was down when I was down like yeah, when I was down 50% of my account, I was like, man, I'm chasing money. Where is money? I don't have. I didn't grow my account just 2%, but I am going to Raja Bank stream every day. He came on the YouTube. I go to his stream every day. Every day I trade with Carvin, but I'm not learning anything. Then I said to myself, no man, I will not do this again. First, I have to learn something. When I will learn, then I can trade on my own. If I lose, I lose. I can't say I lose because of this guy. If I lose on my own analysis, it means I will learn something. But when I catch someone else's move, I can make money. But in the long run, you can't make money with consistency in the long run. So why I have my MT5 on the screen. I wanted to show you guys. I was if we go 1 hour before, I was like you. You are better than me, man. You are better than me because I wasn't able to grow my account just 2%. You are better than me, but I am here in front of you. Guys, I am still learning. I am still grinding. I give my 100% every day. Every time I got lost, I ask 100 questions from myself why I took this trade. How can I become better to expel this trade from my trading setups? Now I am better than what I was 6 months before. But the thing is, if I look at myself after 6 months, I will be better than today. If I give my 100% for the 6 month with consistency. So trading is simple, man. But you have to. What is the difference between you and a good trader? It is very simple. Let me see. Yeah. It is very simple. Good trader is consistent. Good trader will like every time he took the trade, there will be some kind of analysis that he did. Whenever he took the trade, whenever a consistent trader takes the trade, there will be a reason behind this trade. Why he took that trade, how he will cut his loss, how. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you guys. But I see most of the people when they came to trade, they just came to the charts. They say, oh man, this is a bullish candle, so yeah, I can take a buy there. I can take a buy. Yeah, let's make some money. We have this range. This is the thing I used to do. I'm talking about that. So I just take a buy. It goes down like 10 pips. oh, I cut my position and I feel sad. Why I took this trade? Man, this is not, I'm not learning. I'm not doing anything. I was like, I will make money from the trading, but I'm not making anything. Then, then I want to recover my loss. And one more thing I want to say to you is, whenever you take the, whenever your hearts beat very badly, it means you have no proper analysis. You don't know where you will have your stop loss. Why people, why people like when they take the position, why their heart beats? Why? Because they don't have any proper, they don't know where to cut their trade. They're just hoping for 5-10 pips. So they don't know when to cut the trade. They don't know where I'll secure my profits. They don't know where I'll cut my loss. So that is what psychology pressure come on their mind. So this is the thing I said to you guys. I know this. From the previous 3 months, market is shit. Like if we look at the last month, yeah, market was good, but before last month, before 3 months, if we look at July, August, September, market was shit. Many traders lost their money. But man, you have to understand this. 2024 will be the proper trading year. Why I am talking about this? Because if you look at this, yesterday Fed says they can give the one rate hike, but they have to cut the rates. When they will cut the rates, gold will move like this, like it did in the last November, October, December. So gold will move like this. Gold will go to the 2200, 2300. So just give these 2 months for like learning. Just learn 2 months. Said to yourself, we will give time every day. We will analyze our charts every day. We will, every time we lose the trade, we will learn from that loss. Why I took that loss? What psychology or what plan I had before taking this trade? What plan I had? So when you ask question yourself, man, I think if you think someone else's advice can make you rich, no, I think they just give you an idea. They can't make you rich. You have to work on yourself every day. You have to ask questions from yourself every day. What kind of mentality you are bringing? What kind of mentality you are bringing to the trading? You have to ask this question every day. And I was like that guy. I was like, when if this candle closed bullish, I was, oh man, I missed this move. So yeah, what I used to do, I take the trade there. So I take the trade there with 2 pips spread. I execute the trade there. It goes like 2-3 pips. It stopped me out 50, 30 pips, 25 pips. These are the things that were happening with me. These are the things I was losing every day. Now I am in front of you guys. What's changed? The mindset. You have to change your mindset. I was just came to the markets to make money. Then I realized if you came to the markets just to make money, if you have only one mindset, came to the markets to make money, you are not going to make money. This is clear, man. One day, one man said to me, hey man, I put $5 in my account and I grow. First he said to me, hey man, I want to learn from you. And I said, all right, I'll help to you. That would be amazing for me. This is no problem. And he said, yeah. And I asked him, how much experience you have? He said to me, I just grow one account from $5 to $85. I said to him, hey man, you just made 1700% on your $5 and you are talking about learning. And he said to me, yeah, I made that in just 2 days. And the problem with me is whenever I make that amount of money, I lose all that money in the market. And I said him, yeah, so what's new? Just tell me something new. When you make like 1700% in 2 days with that kind of risk, so it means greed will came in your head. So you will execute some bullshit trade. So you were just gambling, and in the end of the gambling, at the end of the gambling, everyone lose. So it makes sense. I said to him, yeah, it can be a big deal for you, but this is not for me because I was at your stage and I was losing every day. So yeah, this is no problem for me. So the thing is, this candle, oh, previous candle. Yeah, this is a little risky trade if someone. Oh, this candle close above the range. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. Let me see. Oh, invite. Let me do one thing, guys. Just all right. So yeah, now everything should be good. So yeah, I know most of the people used to do, they just like, if they see a bullish candle, they just take a buy. When they see a bearish candle, they said to themselves, hey man, I think sells make more sense there because the candle closed bearish. So they go to the sells. I took a loss one day on GJ. Let me show you that loss. And that was the loss. I was risking $30 on that trade. I just lose $11. Risking $31, just lose $11. And I took that trade. That was a previous level. Look at this. That was a previous level. This candle reject, close below. This candle break the high but close below the range. So it was making sense for me to take the trade there. Yeah, it stormed me out, no problem. But then someone said to me, yeah, you can take a buy there. And I said to himself, I don't want to jump. After taking a loss in sells, I don't want to jump in buy. What happened? Like, let me show you on the 15-minute. If someone take a buy there, this candle closed bearish, and he had a stop loss below this candle, he can take a loss there. So what's new in this trade? So then I said to himself, man, I don't want to be a guy who take a loss on the sells and jumps to the buy. I don't want to be that guy. I want to be a guy, if he took a win, that's it. If he took a loss, he have to learn one thing. What I learned from this trade, that was the interest rate for the Japanese yen. Their interest rate was in negative. So negative interest rate mean the depreciation of yen. Depreciation of yen mean we have to go up. So that was just a pullback. I was thinking like, if there was no news, we can correct the whole move. The only thing that was not in my favor, there was a news, there was interest rates, they decreased their interest rates. It means yen become less valuable. So and it has to go up. So this thing happened. This is the thing I learned from this. Now I can't say I lost this trade. now I can say I learned from this trade. Next time when they will decrease their interest rates, I will just look for sells. And if I look for sells, I know it can go very up. It can go up. It can go like last time. I can say to myself, last time it go 100% up first, then we can see, then I did see a bearish candle, and after that it moves like, it moves 140 pips more. In the next time I'll get better to execute that trade. This is the thing I learned from this trade. I learned from this loss. This is the thing I want to show you guys. Whenever you take a loss, don't get mad on yourself. Don't get mad. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. This will never gonna happen. This will never gonna teach you anything. No, you will never learn anything from your losses if you behave like this. Just take the trade. Whenever you take a loss, just learn from that loss. So let me talk about some charts here. I was looking for this. That was the area that is concerning for me. This candle close above and the next candle close below. So I said to myself, alright, so yeah, we have to wait for this 1 hour candle to close below. That can be like a salary play, so we can take the trade on the break of that low. But what happened? This candle close above the range. So if someone take a sell there below this candle, I don't think so that was a good idea to take a sell. So I know previous 4 hour is bearish. I know this guys. But the thing is, we are not taking the trades on the 4 hour time frame. We are taking the trades on like 15-minute time frame, on 30-minute time frame, and 15-minute shows. We can take the trade as long as the candles are printing above and the candles are closing above the range. We can take the trade. So for buys, yeah, buys are a little risky, but if we look at the 30-minute time frame, 30-minute time frame is good. Yeah, 30-minute time frame is good. We can take a buy. Like, this is no trade range for me. Potential buys, closure above, and we can find the potential sells there. Oh wow.
Hello, bro.
Yeah, bro. So
Yeah.
So this is the area to take the sells, and this is the same area that we see that first candle below this area we have a very good 47 pip range. So when we have ranges like this, why we have to rush the process? Why? It make no sense. When you have 100,000, you don't have to rush for the 1,000. So when we have this clean range, why you are stucking yourself in this fucking range, in this fucking like 10 pip range? So trading is a waiting game. Trading is a waiting game. You have to wait for your setup. For me, there is no setup for now. Maybe I don't take the trade there. Maybe I just wait for the candle to close below, because I know we have a clean range in this area. In this area we have first problem in like 12 pips, second problem is in like 6 pips, third problem we have in this like 8-9 pips. So maybe I don't take the trade, but the thing is I will take the trade below this level. Nothing can stop me to take the trade in this range. Nothing. Why? Because I see these things happening in front of me every day. So my experience said to me, every time if we close below that range, we have to go down. Like I said, this previous 4 hour is bullish. We can take a sell as long as this candle did not break the, don't break the low of this candle. We can take a sell. And one more thing is, this is the previous daily high. So like same like this, whenever we, okay, let me give you an example. Whenever we take a sell, let's suppose if we take a sell there, we keep our stop loss to this level, and we said to ourselves, as long as this candle did not break the high of this candle, sells are valid. And daily time frame is a strong time frame. So did you can you think that this candle can break the high of this candle? That is previous daily and that is bearish. So I was expecting that this can be the rejection for the daily candle, because we already grabbed the 50 pips liquidity for the upper wick, top wick.
Yeah.
So now we can go down, but the thing is, I am not only looking at the daily time frame. I have to go to the 4-hour time frame. I have to go to the 1-hour time frame. I have to go to the 30-minute time frame and combine all that time frames. Then I can decide. I can say to myself, now I can take a trade there. So for me, this is no trade range. Yeah, let me know no trade range. For me, this is no trade range. I'm looking for buys above this area. Look at this. How clean this candle is. Look at this, how clean these two candles are. And before that, below that, we have this area. We have further range. We are bearish for the day. We can go down to this 67 pip range. We can easily go down to 50 pip range. So why I have to rush in this fucking range? Why? It makes no sense for me to rush in this range. So for me, potential sells, and every day is not a trading day. Yeah, my potential sells close below. My potential buys are close above. This is simple. Now, okay, tell me, what is difficult on this chart? The difficulty is this: if you take a sell there, the difficult thing is if you take a buy above on the break of that candle high. This is the difficult thing. Other than that, I can't see any difficult thing in this kind of clean price action. Yeah, it makes sense. Some days I know price action was like just shit. Like, what's going on there? This is just shit. This candle closed above the range. This candle is coming down. Look at this 1-hour time frame. Bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. So I know this is not a good price action. It makes no sense to take any kind of trade. But the thing I know is why we have to take the trade in this range. Why can't we wait for the candle to close below? Why? Because we are in the rush process. We need money now. We need to take the trades because we are on the charts. This is the problem. This is the problem most of the traders lose. They don't have discipline. They don't have patience. And I know, came to the charts very easy. Execute the trade. What need for the executing the trade? Just one click. Just one click. How easy it is to take the trade. How easy. Just imagine. Just one click and you are in. But man, how difficult is to make money from the market that is very easy money. How difficult. Now you can see the Raja Bank's post. He is making $50,000. He is making $100,000 trade. He is making $79,000 trade. He is making $30,000 trade. And you talk to yourself, no man, this guy is a scam. Why you talk like this? Because you can't do this. You can't do this. If someone doing the thing that you can do, for you to satisfy your mind, you can easily say that, oh man, this guy is a scam. Now you can feel better. Does it has any impact on him? No. He is making every day. But you are lying with yourself, man. You are lying with yourself. Why you are lying with yourself? Just to make yourself like, yeah man, yeah, he's a scammer, so yeah, we are same, because he's a scammer, he's not making any money and I am not making any money, no problem. But you are lying yourself. If you are thinking you can make millions of dollars in trading in 5 years, how the fuck he can do this? He is trading from 7 years. 7 years he is trading. So he can make, man, he can make. We can make too, but we have to give the time. We have to give the time to this process. This is a process. We have to believe in that process. And we have to learn every day. We have to learn every day. We have to give our time. We have to give our 100%. After that, we'll make that money. We'll make our everything, whatever we want in in trading. So just wait, guys, don't rush the process, just wait. And yeah, one more thing is, I know because you have some pressures on your mind. I know you have some you are like, yeah, I have to, because if you look at your friend circle, your friends are doing better than you, and that would place extra pressure on your mind. If you look at your relatives, they are doing something better, and you said to yourself, no man, I'm doing nothing, everyone is doing something, that put extra pressure on your mind. And when you take that pressure with yourself in trading, that pressure will force you to take bad decisions. That bad decisions will be the reason to lose that money in the market. So this is why I said, just whatever expectations you are taking in the market, you have in from the markets, just leave that expectations for 2 months. Just give 2 months with every day, whenever you close your charts, whenever you call it a day. Yeah, when you feel free in the evening or in the morning after the trading, just look at all the charts. Yeah, why I took this trade, why, and why how can I get better on this trade, like this. So yeah, all right, let me tell you one thing about how we can ask ourselves. So this is the trade I took. Yeah, why I took this trade? I took this trade because I see this moves down, 4-hour candle closed bearish, so it makes sense for me. This candle came up, create a top wick, then it has to came down. All right, so yeah, so what happened? This candle closed bearish, I took a trade there. All right, so why I closed partial there? Because I know this candle has to create a top wick first, like this candle break the low first, then came up, create a top wick, then when it's break its own low, I go in this trade. So I didn't go in the trade when this candle just open with a gap and just break the low in 1 minute. I didn't go in that trade, and I know this can go down to this level, but yeah, that wasn't my trade. So why I have to get mad on myself to not take that trade? That wasn't my trade. So this candle came up, create a top peak, then came down. So when this candle opened, I said, yeah, this candle has to first to go up, then came down. Then we can say ourselves, yeah, now this candle grab the liquidity. Now it can easily came down. But when this candle without even creating a top wick, it came down. What does that mean? That means it can turn up anytime to create a top wick. That hesitate me to close some partials in like 9 pips, 8-9 pips. That is something that hesitate to me. So yeah, how can I become a better at this stage? When this candle breaks the low of that candle, I move my stop loss to break even. So I can get but I can set to myself, hey man, yeah, I can wait for the, yeah, I move my stop loss to break even. If this candle came up, yeah, I would be stopped out. But because that was like, I think that was my first trade of the month, so yeah, I secure something that is good. But the thing is, we have to risk something to gain something. If we are playing too much risk free, then there is a very difficulty to make money. But the thing is, we are giving our 100%. Then the thing is, I don't care about money, how much I am going to make. I just care about how much pips I secure, my idea was good or not, that trade makes sense for me or not. These are the things that I care about. Other than that, I don't care about anything. So yeah, I know 2024 will be the best year for us, for every trader. Maybe not for smart money concept traders, but the traders like us that are learning every day, but the traders for us that are looking the simple price action every day, 2024 will be the best year for us. Yeah man, just give your time to to learning. These 2 months, just learn. I will learn in front of you guys every day. I will never quit. I will never say that I am a professional trader. No man, I'm just a person like you, just with a little extra discipline. Nothing, we have nothing different. We have same. I have 2 eyes, I have 2 hands, I have 2 ears. I eat like you, I smell like you. But the thing is, I just built an extra patience, a little extra patience, not very much extra patience, a little extra patience for myself in trading. And that makes a huge difference. A little extra patience makes a huge difference. If you give your 100%, and if you build an extraordinary discipline with patience, man, just think where you will go, where you can go. The saying is, why be the normal best? Why be normal? Let me all right. Why be normal man? Yeah, why be normal when you can be the best? Why? There is no reason to be normal. Oh wow, YouTube is not. Why? YouTube is not receiving enough video. Why? Everything is good. Everything is good. So yeah, everything should be good, man. Yeah, everything is good on the stream. I don't know why this error. Anything on gold? Yeah, everything on gold, not anything. We have everything on gold. Buys closure above, sales closure below, what else you want? We have everything on gold. We have everything on GJ. We have everything on US 30. But we have to wait for everything. We are not here for anything. We are here for everything. Yeah, man. I was saying that why be normal when you can be the best? Why? Because you are in a rush process. That is the reason. You have to change your mindset. You have to change your mistakes. Yeah, nothing. This candle closed right at the spot. This candle closed right at the spot. You are always ready, brother. Yeah, man. We are here. Why I wanna do everything in front of you with everything clean, with MT5 in front of you. Why? Because I wanna show you guys I am learning with you. If I can learn, how you can't learn? How? You can learn too. Why I am not looking for sells on gold? There is a reason. Previous 4 hour is bullish. As long as this candle did not break the low of this candle, I am anticipating this bottom week for the 4 hour candle, because at one time this 4 hour candle also was down for like 12-13 pips. But what happened then? It came up for like 37-36 pips. So that is why I am looking for sells below this level. Like, I know we have a previous daily is bearish, so if this 4 hour candle close bearish, then we can take a sell there. As this candle close bearish, we can take a sell there. But the thing is, previous 4 hour is bearish and we don't know at any time this candle can came up. So yeah, and that was my favorite quote, why be normal when you can be the best? And I was like, man, what he's just saying. Everyone can be the best, everyone. Why people are normal? Because of their mindset. Yeah, man, because of their mindset. And your mind is your biggest enemy and your mind is your biggest friend. It's up to you how you take your mind in your life. It's up to you. Hey, Ali, brother, you wanna say anything?
Yeah, bro, no, just listening to you.
Yeah, today I was like, I because the I think people can learn trading from anywhere.
Yeah.
We have to tell them how your psychology works in trading, how your mindset is not giving you some profits, how your mindset is not allowing you to successful in trading. Today, these are the things that I learned, that I face in my life. These are the I'm talking about, and I know if I face something, everyone, almost 95% of the people facing the same problem, same things, cutting profits early, letting their losses run. Same thing is happening with people. And you know me like 8 months, 9 months before, and we were nothing. I was like, I showed you like 3-4 trades, and that was like bullshit. That candle starts from below of the range, and it came up like in 5 minutes at this point. As that candle break the high of this candle, I took a buy and it came down. So we were that guy. And now if we have discipline, why? Where it come from? It come from our like mindset. Because our mindset was, we were not quitter. We will not quit. We will come back. After every loss, we will come back. And today, but we are not that good, but we are good if we look at ourselves 8 months before. We were nothing. we have no idea where to take the trades. We have no idea where to execute the trade, where we can place our stop loss, where we can find the best entry, what volume time is. If I wake up in the morning early, I open the charts and I was hunting trades when there is no volume. So
Yeah, trading is all about mindset.
yeah. So
The early we clear our mind, the more profitable will be
yeah.
our
So
journey.
the one thing that I said before, as long as this country did not break the low, I'm not looking for sells.
Yeah,
So I know it can reject from this area, it can go up. If someone take a sell, it may continue go down, but will it do every day? No, it will never do every day. So as I said every time, because if this candle is, there is a 50-50 chance this candle can close bullish, this candle can close bearish. We have 50-50 chance. But the thing is, we don't have to take the 50-50 chance. We have to go for a higher confirmations, because we are here to make money. When there are 50-50 chance, you don't know where it will go up or it will go down. When there is a confirmation like this, I was know that yeah, there's a higher probability it will go down. So so that is why we have to wait for the confirmation. And one more thing is, when I see this setup many times working, so I got confident. I let my trade run, because I know this setups works most of the time.
yeah.
So
It's a matter of experience. The
yeah,
more
yeah,
time
yeah,
we give
yeah,
to
yeah,
the chart,
yeah,
the
yeah.
more
And also
experience we gain.
the urge of learning.
Yeah, the urge
I
of learning.
know, I know most of the people just take trade, close their charts and came back next day. I don't do this. I every night I open my charts, I see, all right, so I took the trade there, all right, that would be awesome. Where else I can take the trade? Like this. I was looking at this yesterday. I talked to myself, that was a 1 hour closure. That was a 1 hour closure, and we close above this range on the 30-minute time frame. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, we also close above the range, and on the 1 hour time frame we have clean range. So
Yeah.
we can take the trade there. This is the thing I look at yesterday. But people don't wanna see the charts. They were like, yeah man, this is a waste of time. No. Like if I don't wanna look at this, how can I find this setup? Yeah, how can I say to myself, I can take this trade on the 1 hour time frame, because that was a 1 hour closure,
Yeah.
and that was a 1 hour before London Open, because I was thinking like this is a London Open. Yeah, London Open was this candle. So then I did not take the trade there. I didn't took the trade when this candle breaks the high. I know the first thing is I also took the first trade there, so I don't wanna, like, yeah, someone you can take the trade, but if we look at the 30-minute time frame, we have 1 2 3 4 5 bullish candles. So it is very difficult for the price to print 6 consecutive bullish candles. It is very difficult.
Yeah.
So that is why we wait for some kind of retracement, then take a buy. This is the reason traders wanna take sells, or traders wanna wait for the first retracement, some kind of. And I think this is the best thing. This is the thing I learned from Raja Banks. Like, if I miss that move, no problem. Who cares if I miss that move? We have to wait for this move. Retracement, create a resistance, just Look at this, how clean was this range, and look at this, how clean is this candle came down, and it filled the whole range. Like, look at this. This is the onion play that I like the most. This is the onion play. This is the thing that I hear from the Raja Banks. Every time he said to himself, whenever he used to say every day, when people, like, if someone miss this move, he will take the trade on this candle, on the sixth candle. If someone miss this move, like us that we were in like 8 months before, we were the same. If we see this kind of breakout, we easily take the trade there, because we see at the time we used to see that market wanna show us. But now we don't just see, we also anticipate, we also know how market moves. We know this market always move like this, then it came for a retracement in an up. I'm talking about the uptrend. Then it again came up. We know this market always move like this. Then it came for a retracement. Then it again came down like this. It came up, it came down, came up, and create a new low. It came up, came down, and create a new high. This is the thing I'm talking about. So if we miss this move, why we shouldn't wait for this move? We have to wait for this move. And also, there is a higher confirmation. This move is a higher confirmation move. If the candles are very clean on the left hand side, like this, if we have clean range on the left hand side, then this is the extra confirmation move, extremely good confirmation move. So let's delete this. So this is the thing I wanna tell you. We have to just at least because in the process of becoming a good trader, at least we have to wait. We have to wait for a better price action. We have to wait for some like clean ranges. Why we are trading, like, why we wanna take the trade in this kind of range? Why we wanna take the trade in this kind of range where we know we have 8.5 pip range. Now I have spread 1.6 pips, 1.8 pips, or 2 pips. Or why we have to take this 6 pip trade? Because I have to pay 1 pip in commission. Why I have to take this trade? Why I can't wait for this clean range where we have 46 pip, 47 pip range? I know we can take like 20-25 pips there, but here I don't know, it reject from this area. If it like this candle came down, reject from this area. It came down, reject from the same area. It can reject from third time, who knows? This is the thing we are here to teach, to tell people. Not teach, I'm not a teacher. I'm just a beginner like you guys. I'm just a beginner. And I think Ali is better than me. I look his trades. He's taking good trades. And also one thing is I just like leave my trading for 5-6 months to make money from some other source of income, put that money in market and make easy money. I was thinking like that. I'll make some money from blogging, and that money I put in. Yeah, because sometimes I talk with Ali, and I said to him, yeah man, I'm doing blogging, I'll make some money, and then I'll make some hard money from that source of income. Then I'll deposit that money in my Dominion Markets account, and I'll make that money. I'll double that account. I'll flip that account into thousands of dollars. But this is not gonna happen, man. This is the uh, uh, this is the thing I'm talking about. Everyone came with the same expectations like me. Everyone came. Oh right. If you don't have expectations of money from the market, why you are here? No, everyone, because this is a human psychology. We can't deny the human psychology. We can't deny. These are the proven things. So yeah, everyone came just to make money. So
Yeah,
so that is why.
but yeah, as long as we get experience, then we focus on the process instead of
Yeah,
profitability,
yeah. This is the thing. So why,
Yeah.
like, if we were in like 2 3 months before, we can take this and impulse entry, and we can take this to came up. And when I look at my previous trades, and sometimes I laugh at myself, how the fuck I can take that trade. When I look at the time frame, I was like, man, it was not me.
Yeah, I mean, true
Oh
that.
man. But the thing is, the first thing when I started learning, I go to all my trades that I took, and I see what mistakes I did. You have to find the mistakes that are in your mind, that you used to do every time. First you have to expel that mistakes from your mind, from yourself, so that in the process you can become a better. If you look people's, those who are like extraordinary person, and if you read their like life story, or if you watch their life story, or if you watch their life story documentary, you will see that they were nothing at one point of time. They were in the process that we are now, because we have some sort of passion. We have some sort of like dream, and we are working on our dream. We didn't let our dream just with closed eyes. No, we are watching our dream with the open eyes. This is the thing we are doing. So I think if we make some like dumb decisions to take some sells or buys, I think we can, like someone say, this is a salary play. Yeah, this is a salary play, but look at this where it is. So first, like it, because we are not talking about ourselves, we are talking about in general. This candle, after looking at this candle, many people jump in sells when this candle break the low. Most of the people jump in buys when this candle breaks the high. This is how people lose money. So now look at this price action. Look at this. Does it make sense? No. Look how it is coming down, man. So this is why I always say, just we have to wait for our setups. We have to be like a robot. We have to be a robot in trading, like robots do. But I think we can't say, well, I'll become a robot in like 1 month, 2 months. It takes years. It takes years to change the mindset, man. Because Matrix put their years to convince people to do the study for 16, 18 years and then find a job of like $100 in Pakistan per month. They put their hundred of years. And how we can change that mindset in just 1 year or 6 months? It is very difficult. And before the World War II, one businessman said in USA, he said, if some newspaper published my income report of my company, my workers will kill me. After knowing that they are doing the hard work every day and I am making everything that they are doing, everything goes to me and they are making nothing. But when he said this to all the other businessmen, then they started to change the mindset of the people. They show this, yeah, if you find the job, you are the best person. Then people go for the jobs. Now every data is on the internet. How much is Facebook earning and how much the Facebook employees earning? Everyone knows, but no one raised the question. Why? Because they changed the mindset. Now, if you look at some like some washing powder ad, you will see the person goes to his duty, and in the office the tea drop on his shirt, and he came back from office and he gives that shirt to her. He give that shirt to her wife and said to her, hey, wash this. And she I don't know, she appeared some washing powder appeared from the somewhere, and she said, hey, this washing powder can clean all of your office shit. And why? Because people are attracting from the jobs. That is why they are showing the jobs. They are showing the people that are doing the jobs. And now they are successful to put that like mindset in people. Now they are successfully. They did this very successfully, and we have to like accept that reality. We have to accept that reality. This is how word works. This is how word works. This is very simple. Change the mindset, and we are taking ourselves. We are like we said to ourselves. We are living in the freedom. No. Everything we are doing is on someone else's change our mind. And I said to my friends, we are, whatever we say, whatever we do, there is some external force, there is someone external person's opinion that is that force us to say that thing. Like today, media is playing a major role to spread the negativity, to spread the fake news. And I think if you have a hold on the media, you can easily put that people's mind. If if something is bad, you can put people's mind through the media. This is good. Like if we go to the 100 years before, so people cover their whole body with with clothes, and if someone don't like what I said, yeah, people cover their whole body. But for now, after watching the Hollywood, after watching the Bollywood, now what's the position? If someone came to our home and he said, "Hey, just put this dress on your body," no, but they changed our mindset, and we didn't even know our mindset is changed. We didn't even know they are playing with our psychology. We didn't even know this is the disaster for our culture. This is the disaster for our life. We don't know. Because they are very successful. Because they are very successful to put that, to sell that propaganda in our mind. They are very successful. That is why they are successful. That is why they are making money. Why the whole world is against the hijab? Because in the Europe, people are like, they are selling millions of dollars, billions of dollars of creams. If someone have a hijab on her face, how they are going to sell that product? How? They can't sell that product. This is the thing I want to tell you guys. This is the thing. You have to understand, everything we see on media is not truth. Even nothing is truth. You have to understand this. Everyone is playing with our minds. Everyone is pushing. Everyone is something forcing in our mind. And we don't know someone is forcing in our mind or not. And let's see this. Why I was not looking for cells there. Now you can understand the reason why I was not looking for cells there. I said this, if we have this beautiful 47 pip or 46 pip range, why we have to rush in this range? Why? It makes no sense for us. Guys, whenever you wanna think, always think big. You have to understand. All right. So let me tell you some important lines that I have on my mobile. The first most important line. If you have something, oh wow, look at gold. If you have something to read, if you have something near you that you can write this. You think there are many important persons that are living in your life. No. The only one that is important for you is your family. Other than that, no one is important. And the line is, and the quote is, the most important person you ever talk to is yourself. The most important person you ever talk to is yourself. So be careful what you say. Yeah. Whenever you want to talk with yourself, be careful, man. If you talk negative with yourself, you are not going to be a successful person. The most important person. And the second thing is, the second quote is, and the second line is, the most important person that you will evaluate is yourself. So be careful what you think. So be careful what you think about yourself. Because for yourself, the most important person for you is yourself. I know people that they ruin their whole life for someone else, and at the end of the day they get nothing. They got nothing at the end of the day. They got nothing. This is word, man. The word is very, very bad. You can't expect anything from this word. And and one more quote that is extremely good is, it is easy to go from failure to success. It is easy to go from failures to success than it is from excuses to success. Like if someone is not successful in his life, he will make excuses. Like I said before, most of the people say Raja Banks is a scam. This is his excuse. Like I said before, I lose too much money from the other guy's stream. That was my excuse. I didn't do anything bad. I just lose money because of that guys. No, I lose money because of my mindset. I was looking at the money. I wasn't looking at the learning. This is why I lose. If you blame for your failures to other people, you are not going to successful, because you don't wanna accept your mistakes. You always wanna, when you accept the reality, it means you are accepting that you are doing something wrong. When you accepting that you did something wrong, that is the time when you start learning. When you said to yourself, no, you didn't did anything wrong, then you will repeat that same mistakes every day. Every time you will say to yourself, no man, I'm not doing wrong. This is not the reality. You are doing wrong. If you did wrong in yourself, you are the only person that is accountable for that failure. You are the only person that is accountable for that mistake. No one is responsible. In this world, no one is going to coming to save you. You have to work for yourself. If you think someone is coming to make money for you, no. Even your parents, time will come when your parents will say to you, hey, make some money. You are free for the whole day. You are doing nothing. This is the thing I wanna tell you guys. This is the harsh realities of the world. These are the realities that we have to accept that. These are the realities. Most people don't even accept that realities. Most people don't even think about that kind of realities. Most people don't want to accept that realities. Most people don't want to work on their self. They are thinking like, yeah man, everything is doing with me. This is not my fault. This is your fault. The only person that is accountable for your failure is yourself. No one is going to save you. If when you do something good, you said always with proud, hey man, I do this thing, I did this thing, I did it. But when you lose, when you fail, when you did something wrong, you always said, hey, he is the reason, he is the cause for my failure. Why? How can someone can be the cause for your failure? No one can cause your failure. You have to be accountable for your You have to be accountable for your failures. First, 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 just look at yourself. Just if you do something wrong, man, give yourself a little punishment. Why you did this thing wrong? You have to be very countable, man. Very countable with yourself. And don't blame someone. Don't blame someone for your failures. No. If you took loss with me, don't blame me. Don't blame me. I know people go to the streams, they took a loss and they blame that streamers. I don't know why. I don't know why. Man, if someone is on the stream and he is taking the trade, he know how he is going to manage his risk. He know he is successful, how he is successful. He knows how he will take the next trade. But you, if you took a loss, that is not good. If you have a bad mentality, that is not good. And by look at the volume, by look at the market condition, I think that that you learn today, it is better than hundreds of trades. It is better than thousands of trades. It is better than that money that you can make today. It is better than everything that you are doing wrong. The thing that you learn today. One more quote is, the most important person you will love is yourself. So be careful what you do. I see people, they fell in love with someone else. Why, man? Why? Why you don't love to yourself? Is you are not good? Are you not good? You are good. Then why you don't have any love for yourself? Why? Because you are weak. Because you watch the Bollywood. Because you watch the Hollywood. And you are trying to copy something. This is the reason. This is the reason. These are the things that are affecting our mind. These are the things that are affecting our psychology. These are the things that are affecting our way of thinking. If someone has a power to to force you to think what he wants you to think, it means you are in the trap. First, you have to take out of yourself from that trap. Then you can become a successful. The most important person you do love is with yourself. So be careful what you do. First, you have to love with yourself. The most important person for you is yourself. At the end of the day, no one is coming to save you. At the end of the day, you have to do the work for yourself. At the end of the day, everyone will leave you. At the end of the day, no one is coming to save you. You have to work. You have to love for yourself. You have to accountable for yourself. If you do something wrong, first punish yourself. Why you did wrong? Why you did that wrong? What you learn from that loss? Why you do this? Always love yourself. Don't ruin your life in someone else's love. Everyone will leave you in one day. This is the harsh reality of the world. You have to understand this. If someone is your friend today, maybe he will be the enemy yes tomorrow. Who knows? Who knows about yesterday? So always love yourself, always accountable for yourself. And the one more quote I wanna tell you guys, because let me tell you one thing. Today it looks no trade day for us for now. So the thing that I am telling you is better than the 100 trades you took with me. Yeah. Everyone wants many people on his stream, but I want you guys to trade according to yourself. I want you guys to be independent. I want you to guys to live the freedom life. You have to think abroad. You have to be as good as you can like smash everyone's face. If someone's don't believe in you, this is the reason. Wow. Once Holyfield says once. You know what who Holyfield is? Holyfield was a guy who smashed the Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson wins his first 44 fights without even a loss. Holyfield says everyone has a plan until they are hit. I have a plan. Alright, so I know you all guys know the cricket. You have the idea about cricket. Every bowler has a plan for their bowling. What happened when a batsman hit a six straight down the ground? Where their plan goes? They don't know what to do now. Why? This is the thing Holyfield says. Everyone has a plan until they are hit. What did he mean by that? The stress of a difficult situation can make you forget your plan, and if you don't handle that situation well, you won't be able to make adjustments. This is exactly what you need to be able to do, is to make good adjustments. Make good adjustments in the stressful time. Most people take bad decisions in their stressful time. And I want to give you guys a best example is when you took the loss, you execute one more trade. You are in a stressful, you put yourself in a stressful you put yourself in the stressful situation. You put yourself in difficult situation. You don't know how to react. You don't know adjustments in the bad situations. You don't know how to, when most of the people do the mistakes, when they are in the stressful position. Like in trading, if you took a loss, you wanted that money back. Then you are in a stressful position. Then there's a high probability you will make bad adjustments. You will take bad decisions. That bad decisions will lead you to take some more losses, and you will get angry on yourself. This is the thing that, and one more thing is, so I wanna tell you one more thing is, mistakes are not failures. I see people took the trade on the live streams and when they took a loss, they commit the L. Mistakes are not failures. People think that mistakes are failures. No. When you will do the mistakes, when you will do something, 80% of the people are doing nothing. If you are doing something, if you make mistakes, it means you are doing something. If you are doing something, you are better than that 80% of the people. Mistakes are not failures. They are proof that we are making an effort. They are the proof. If someone said, I took a loss on my plan, on my analysis, it means he did his analysis first. Then he took a loss. It means he it means he put some effort. It means he is trying something good. If we look at the GJ is in this range. GJ is not doing anything. What we are doing better than GJ. We are doing better than Euro USD. We are doing better than gold. These things will lead you to the road of success. If you change your mentality, if you change your psychology, if you change your mindset, if you change yourself, if you are accountable for your losses, if you are accountable for your failures, it means you are on the journey of success. If you are blaming other people, if you are saying that he is the reason for my failure, if you are like, I'm sick, I can make excuse I am sick, I'll not put my 100% in the work. But I can't. I know I have to work. I have to work every day. I have to work hard. I know I am in the front of people and I am accountable for every people. This is the thing I am saying to myself. But guys, you can't say the same thing to me. You have to accountable for yourself like I am accountable for myself. This is the thing you have to understand. This is the thing you have to learn. And I'll change the title of this stream like the best stream of my life till today. If you want to change your whole mindset, you can rewatch this stream. You can rewatch this stream 10 times and you will learn that point that I said, man. I said. I don't know why people are wasting their time. I don't know why people are wasting their time for someone else. I don't know why people are just imagining. I don't know why people are just dreaming. I don't know why they are not taking actions. When you take the action, that action lead you to the success journey. Why you are just dreaming? This is the time to make your dream a reality. Are you guys ready to make that dream a reality? You have to be ready. But to make your dream a reality, you have to first change your mindset. You have to first change your psychology. You have to first the way of thinking, how you think. You have to leave the people's opinion. People's opinion about you doesn't matter for you. If someone say bad for you, you shouldn't care about that. If you care about that, it means you are not. If you, it means you don't have the best mindset. It means you are very bad in your psychology. It means you can't handle the stressful situation, because that is the stressful situation. If someone says you can't do it twice. If someone says you can't do it twice, man, do it twice. And show that person, I did it twice. This is the mindset you should have. This is the mindset everyone should have. People don't want to think about, people just want to dream. They don't want to put themselves in a hard work situation. They don't want to do anything except dreaming. The same thing I said before, why be normal when you can be the best? Why just dreaming when you can make your dream a reality? Why just dreaming? You have to work hard. You have to, don't blame someone else's for your failures. Don't blame someone else. Always try to speak truth with yourself. I see people, they lied themselves. If you lied yourself, then who will take the loss? If you are not honest with yourself, how you can accountable for yourself? If you are not honest with yourself, you have to accountable with yourself. If you are lagging in some areas of your life, you have to work hard in that areas. But people don't want to put themselves in difficult situations. People don't want to do the hard work. They just want easy money. They just want an easy money. This is the easy money in front of you guys on the charts. But it is very hard to earn that money. It is very hard to earn that easy money. You have to put some work. You have to put some work every day. But people don't try to understand this. People think that someone else's will save them. I am sick. I'm not making an excuse. I'm sick. Most of the time I can't able to speak, man, because of my illness. I'm still speaking. Just wait a minute. I'll be right back in 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'm back, guys. I'm back. So it looks like no trade day for us, but it looks like a good day for us. It looks like a heavy day for us. It looks like there is nothing in the markets. It looks like there is everything in our psychology. There is everything that we learn today. This is a thing that I can see. If you can't see this, who cares? I don't care. I can just tell you. You have to understand on yourself. Ali.
Yeah, bro.
Did you enjoy today's session?
Yeah, you're quite a good speaker, man.
Yeah, these are the things that everyone is experiencing every day. But no one is telling himself or herself the truth. I am accountable. When I become accountable for myself, I will say myself, why did you do that? But if someone is not accountable for himself or herself, he will not even think about these things.
Yeah.
This is the thing I am stressing. Guys, accountable with yourself. Guys, don't lie with yourself. The most important person you ever talk is yourself. So be careful what you say. The most important person that you will evaluate is yourself. I know people evaluate other people. Why they don't themselves? Because no, they are doing nothing. They are making excuses to justify that failure. They are making excuses to justify their failures, and they are making someone else's the reason, the cause for their failures. This is the thing people are doing. I wanna tell people this is not good. Don't do that. Never ever blame anyone for your failure. If you are here, just learn. It is not about winning or losing. It is about learning. It is about growing. It is about what you, because they will not teach you in these kind of stuff in schools. Because your teachers are not doing anything. They are just losers. They learn like organic compound and inorganic compound, and they use that knowledge, and they are selling that knowledge to you and make some living money. What they did with that knowledge, they did nothing. That knowledge become a source of income. And they are saying that we are educated. How you can say that you are educated if you are doing nothing? Education doesn't mean a degree. But now people think degree means education. No. Education doesn't mean a degree. When you will understand this point, you will you will understand everything. You will understand the harsh reality of this world. How they are running this world.
how they are running this world. Then you will understand the reason, then you will understand how they use ourselves to make them rich. And we feel happy when we work for someone else. We feel happy when we make rich someone else. So this candle looks like a rejection candle. We don't have buys there, we don't have sells there, but that we have today on our stream. I think you can find this on the other streams. You can find some good W's, you can find good some L's, but people don't want to teach you this, because they know you are just came to make money. They know if they tell you that kind of stuff, their viewership will become less. But it is not about anything. It is about the true meaning of life. It is about the true championship mindset. It is about true everything that is true. I speak everything. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, who cares? I don't care. People's opinions doesn't affect me. If you are a weak person, then it makes sense for me. It makes sense for me to people's opinion affect you. If you are a strong person, people's opinion shouldn't affect you. Just take an opinion from every person. As I said before, if someone say you can't do it twice, and tell that person I did it twice, and you were saying I'm not gonna do this, and I did it twice. But the other point I have is, if you are just putting a work to like make someone's like if you are just doing the work to prove someone wrong, then yeah, you did that work, but you did nothing, because are you okay to like compete that person who is just blaming other persons? I think we should have our competition big peoples, like I think 1 month or 1.5 months before, we friends were chilling, and one guy like crossed our car very fast, and my friend like speed up our car, and we were just about to, there was like 1 second difference, we were about to hit our car in a motorcycle and in the side of the road, and I was sitting on the right side of him, and I I picked the handbrake, and then our car, and then this is the thing I learned: we should not compete the peoples that are nothing. I know people are competing with their class fellows. Is their competition is class fellow, or is their competition is their big whole city? If you are competing with your class fellows, you can't compete the whole city. You can't even imagine competing the whole city. You should have a mindset to compete the whole world. not a town, not a city, not a country. You should have that kind of a mindset. This is the kind of mindset we should have. And we can't achieve that kind of a mindset because, as I said before, they put 100 years to teach ourselves we are just slaves. We are just workers. We have to find a job. They don't want us to do the things that they don't want to do. They don't want us to do. Because if everyone wants freedom, then how the fuck they are going to make money? Who will work for them to make them rich? Who? That is why they don't wanna let people to think broadly. They don't want to let people to think broadly. If you are thinking very broadly, you are not in like that. You are not in the 80% of the peoples. You are above that 80% of the peoples. So this is it. So I think now we can call it a day, and I think I will recommend this session. Everyone, this is the best session of my life with no trade. Yeah, no trade. People count someone other people's success with their bank balance, with their trading journey. They take someone like how much percentage they have winning ratio. They don't look at how much he is putting in the work. They don't know. One person said this, it can go down, it can go, sales are not valid at as long as this candle did not, as long as this candle breaks the low of this candle. So what happened? It rejected from this area and now it is going up. And this is the experience, this is the thing I learned in the last 5-6 months. This is a thing I learned because I always came to the charts at 10 a.m. Pakistan time. I always came to the charts when 4-hour candle close. This is the thing I see every day. This is the thing that I was trying to learn something. This is the thing that I learned when I was in the learning process. So, all right, I'm calling off the stream. That was it for today. I think that was the best for that we did today. It was no trade day, but it was a huge day. So all right. So I'll back tomorrow with another beautiful stream. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Yeah, man. Take care.
say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.